So this week we're going to take you out on Dewey Lake, see if we can't get after some bass, maybe some muskie, whatever. Honestly, we're going to go after whatever's biting today. So stay with us, we got a good one coming at you. See if we can't get after something with a little topwater. Summertime, we got some nice grass mats out here on Dewey Lake now. And so our two baits of choice, squelcher, booyah baits, and the Head Original, the OG, is our spook.
That right there, we can work with that. Hook in the mouth. Look at that.
So probably fishing about 72, 74 degree water. Caught a muskie up in here a week or so ago. So we're gonna give it a run. Really good looking pocket. Bunch of lay downs, bunch of timber. Also got some grass up in the head of it. You can kind of see it matted over from here. Already marked a lot of shad coming in. I feel like the shad are really driving this bite. These fish are kind of positioning themselves so they can ambush those shad when they roll by. You know, one of the reasons I've been catching muskies, that's just how I fish. I fish big baits. I try to fish things that attract big bass. So I'm not that guy that's gonna go out and probably be the best at numbers, but I can sometimes get a big one to bite, not usually. See, I throw big baits, so big baits catch big bass. That's kind of how I got on this bite, you know, I'm throwing this big buzz bait, the squelcher. Hell yeah. God, those things stink good.
Dry?
another good fishing trip. Dewey Lake's fishing probably about as good right now as it has in my life, just to be honest. You know, a lot of people are catching big bass. We caught those muskie, you know, had a chance at 2 more, but, you know, just couldn't put them in the boat. You know, they call it the fish at 10,000 casts, and, you know, I could see why they call it that. You know, we started out hot and kind of faded. The bite kind of changed on us. Just a little inexperience there in terms of catching muskie, but, you know, we had a great time. It was an awesome trip. Man, just another good trip. Hard to complain about a day you come to the lake and catch fish. You know, summertime can be tough, but nonetheless, we found something to catch. And I'd say in the future, we'll be getting after muskie in the fall, because there's just nothing like a topwater bite.